Exercise for activating chakras energies.
Hi, myself, Law of Manifestation Coach, Dr. P.S. Rathore, honored in British Parliament, London. दोस्त मैं चाहता हूं कि आप डिजीज से फ्री हों. You can attract or you can manifest anything and everything of your life. I call it as you can manifest your March. M-A-R-C-H. M बोले तो money, A बोले तो appreciation, R बोले तो relationship, C बोले तो career, and H बोले तो health. You can manifest each and everything of your life, each and everything, trust me. What you have to do for this? You have to awaken your chakras. And for awakening the chakras, you have to give 3 minutes of your life to me. And trust me, I will take control of your life right from the time when you go to the bed and the time when you leave the bed. यानी कि जिस वक्त आप सोने जाते हो उस समय से लेकर के जब आप बेड छोड़ते हो, when you are awakened, you have to give to me and trust me, you can create anything and everything of your life. You can manifest each and everything of your life, right? So what you have to do for that? Let me tell you. Step 1. When you're going to bed, the first thing you're going to do with this sky finger, put some drop of oil in your navel. आप अपने नाभि में इस फिंगर से ड्रॉप ऑफ ऑयल को डालेंगे, इस फिंगर से. एनी ऑयल कैन डू, बट इफ़ यू आर पुटिंग द नीम ऑयल, उससे क्या होएगा? द स्किन विल ग्लो, द स्किन विल ग्लो. बट एनी ऑयल कैन डू दिस वर्क. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. नाउ सेकेंड स्टेप,
वॉश योर लोअर लेग्स और काफ्स. बोले तो घुटने से नीचे अपने पाँव को धोना है, अपने पाँव को धोना है. स्टेप 3, रब योर हिल्स विथ प्यूमाइस स्टोन. बोले तो ये जो आपका एड़ी है, तलवार के नीचे जो एड़ी है, उसको आपको प्यूमाइस स्टोन से रगड़ना है. वाई? बिकॉज एड़ी से क्राउन चक्रास कनेक्टेड है, क्राउन चक्रास कनेक्टेड है.
fourth step is that when you go to bed, before that, make sure that 1 liter of a bottle, यानी पानी का 1 लीटर का बॉटल आपके सिरहाने यानी बिसाइड योर बेड रहना चाहिए. सो प्लेस 1 liter of the water besides your bed. Always remember this. Or besides your head, besides your head or besides your bed. Always remember. Why I'm very specific about this? Because the moment you get up, you have to do the first thing with this bottle of water. This is a miracle water. That's what exactly you can do that. This will help you to manifest your desired dream, your desired Mars, your desired money, desired appreciation, desired relationship, desired career, desired health. Now, when you go to bed, sleep on the left side. Why on the left side? Why on the left side? Because your left nostril gives water in your body and the right nostril gives the fire in your body. So what happened in this? The moment the water is closed, the fire will go and it will work on your digestive system. So step number 4 is completely done. Now we'll go for the step number 5. Step number 5 is what? When you get up in the morning, you put your right palm on the left palm and simply you smash it, you rub it, and you create what? You create the heat on this. Once the heat is created, put on your eyeball and see the bigger picture what you have seen in the workshop, what you have seen it in my Law of Manifestation course. Bring the same picture here. Remember, you and I have worked a lot on this vision board, a lot. Now, with this bigger picture, exactly, just visualize today what are you going to do. Remember, while you're visualizing in your palm, you must visualize the red color. You must visualize the red color right on the base, because the red color will give you the stability, will give you the fearlessness, will give you the trust on yourself. And this is the key you need it to convert your dream into the reality. This will help you to take a massive actions. So this is the step we're going to take. Next step, take that bottle of the water and just fill up your mouth, and with this, take one by one. Make sure कि when you are taking the water much, ये तालू को टच जरूर करना चाहिए. You take that inside. You just take that inside and make sure कि ये पानी यहाँ दिखे. और ये दिखेगा आपको, फील होएगा, एंड लेट इट बी एक्यूमुलेटेड टू योर वेस्ट लाइफ। ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आपको प्रोड्यूस करेगा। दिस वॉट एग्जैक्टली यू आर गोइंग टू डू, एंड योर विजन शुड बी ऑन द लास्ट ड्रॉप ऑफ द वाटर। द मैसेज इज दैट डोंट लीव वर्क इन बिटवीन, छोड़ने का नहीं है, लास्ट मोमेंट तक करने का है। एब्सोल्युटली most of the people leave it in between, so their desired MARCH does not manifest. You have to be consistent, you have to be persistent, you have to perceive in yourself that yes, you can do that. That's clear. And while taking the water, always remember, pay gratitude. What MARCH have, what money you have, what appreciation you have, what relationship you have, what career you have, what
health what you have.
let it be even minute. Focus on that, you have that, and pay gratitude to the Almighty Creator for that. Now, after that, go to the washroom, do your routine. Then after, next step while coming, give the energy of all 5 elements to your body.
Fire, air, sky, earth and water.
Like fire, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Air, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Air is sky together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Air is sky, earth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Air is sky, earth and water, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have given 5 elements to your body. Is that clear? Now, what you have to do? Now is that put all the energy point here, and 200 times you have to do. Make sure that while doing that, your knees should what? Move, bend and up, bend and up. Trust me, you will never have the arthritis problem. 200 times. After this 200 times, you have to bend, touch your knee, and then clap. Touch your knee and clap. See, learn to do correctly, then it will help you to manifest your desired health, desired money, desired appreciation, desired relationship, and desired career. Energy is everything, and you are generating energy in your mind, body, and soul. This is the steps you are going to do that, right? After doing this, what exactly you're going to do is that bring your right palm near your ear and left palm sprayed in the air. The left palm means left hand. And then the left leg also, left feet will also be sprayed. And make sure that your thighs should be as tight as possible. Then make a sound, any sound you make, and jor se, like I'll tell you. And stretch as much as. And the moment it's over, spread. Bring your left leg up, left feet up, put a hand like this and stand on the one feet. Stand on the one leg and tell yourself that you're committed for the picture what you have taken in the law of manifestation course. What picture you have taken in your workshop. What I have conducted for you. In that you have already taken, you have already drawn, you have already designed what is exactly, what is your MARCH label. You just see that. Just go ahead for this on the one leg. That's a tapasya. Now switch. Right leg will be sprayed, right hand will be sprayed, left palm on the ear, and repeat the same process. Yeah! Stretch as much as possible. And once it is sprayed, just bring your right leg into the air and then palm and stand on the one leg and tell yourself what is your level of commitment for achieving your MARCH. See, I am a man of a strategy. धंधा समझ में आता है, business समझ में आता है, right? And I have coached many chartered accountants the strategy management. Understand that. I understand कि daily क्या सोचना है, कैसे सोचना है. After doing that, you have to breathing by नाभि को अंदर खींचेंगे, हाथ को ऐसे करेंगे, नाभि को अंदर खींचते हुए एयर को अंदर लेंगे और 1 2 1 1 सेकेंड इनहेल, 2 सेकेंड होल्ड एंड 1 सेकेंड एक्सेल में लगाएंगे. देखिए फिर से ये आपको 6 टाइम करना है. उसके बाद योर हैंड्स, शेक योर हैंड्स एंड जस्ट गो दिस. You are completely energized. Trust me, you have awakened your all chakras. More detail in the chakras, how it works, how you create, how it helps you to create energy, how it keeps you. What are the diseases that you must join my law of manifestation course, and you are going to achieve this. I can guarantee. You can manifest anything you want. You can manifest baby, you can manifest result, you can manifest relationship, you can manifest anything and everything for life. If you really love my idea of generating energy, please share this video, share about this program with your friends, relative and everything. Good thing has to be spread. You can't keep to your chest and keep to yourself only. संस्कृत बहुत प्यारी लैंग्वेज थी, लोगों ने ऐसे ही मार दिया और आज संस्कृत मरने की कगार भी है. राइट, सो गुड थिंग नीड टू बी स्प्रेड. राइट, थैंक यू वेरी मच.